What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we will be going to the RC track. This is my first time. We'll be going with my cousin Cameron and one of our other friends named Tanner. They both just bought Slashes last night, Brush Edition. They also have the upgraded servo just like my car. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's the ProTech RC servo. And then they also have aluminum caps, which I don't even have yet. And because that's what I busted when we jumped the car over the pool. And they have that, and we are going to go shred at the track. I don't know what the track is called, but I just know we're going to RC track. Right now, the 2S is on the charger, and then we'll be ready to go. I'll see you guys there. We just got to the track. The track is called Hobby Action. We have to wait a little bit because they're actually racing right now. Right over here. But once they're done, we're gonna go out, but we just have to wait a little bit. We just drove the cars till they died. Right now, me and Tanner are plugging the cars in on this gigantic, what is it called? Track Power Speed Equipment. It's a gnarly charger. But Cam is still out there right now. I'll show you where he's at. He's coming around soon. He's right here in the orange slash. There he is. But we're gonna charge those up and then we'll be right back out. The GoPro doesn't really work because it gets too top heavy around the turns and it just flips over, so I don't think we'll be doing any GoPro shots, maybe just from the camera on the side of the track.
Well, it's a little wrap on the first get down. Parker was had quite a bit more juice on the jumps and the straightaways, so it's safe to say that we don't know who's the winner yet or who's faster, but a couple more practices we'll find out. So, wait, I have an issue where my battery connection has this like adapter in the middle and nothing snaps together, so when I hit a jump it comes undone. So I'm gonna go ask the guys in the shop inside how it's done, how to fix this, and it's just nice that they're right here. So
Tanner! Thoughts?
I need better suspension.
I'm happy.
Oh!
Here comes Tanner.